It is time to make our winter predictions, and there's an exciting twist this year. For the first time in 4 years, we are in an El Nino pattern. The El Nino Southern Oscillation plays a big role in our upper-level wind patterns. During an El Nino, the northern branch of the jet stream stays mostly up in Canada, and that keeps the coldest air north of us. Meanwhile, we have an active subtropical jet stream over the southern U.S., and it's fueled by warm, moist air over the Pacific, so we expect some drought-busting precipitation over the southern half of the country. North Carolina, well, it's right in the middle of the two jet streams. While this can make it challenging to come up with a forecast, we can lean on historical data to help us make our predictions. NOAA expects a strong El Nino this year. The WRAL Severe Weather Center specifically investigated strong El Nino years in the past and their local impact on winter weather. Here's Elizabeth with what we discovered.
First things first, how do we know if we have a weak or a strong El Nino? We look at water temperatures in the Pacific, specifically the Oceanic Nino Index. This is a 3-month average of the ocean's surface temperature. An index of 1.5 to 2 degrees is considered strong. Anything over 2 degrees is very strong. This year is likely to fall in the strong category. A strong El Nino often brings more snow. Since 1957, we've had 6 years with a strong El Nino. 5 of those years featured 7 to 12 inches of snow. And the most recent strong El Nino year was 2009 to 2010, when we had 7.2 inches of snow. Of course, temperatures play a crucial role in when or if we get any snow. Looking back at past El Nino years, we found that during December, temperatures ran slightly above normal, while temperatures during January and February ran slightly below normal. So the data is in, and it looks good for us snow lovers. Let's go to Mike Mays with a look at the WRAL winter weather outlook.
Let's save the best for last and get started with the temperature forecast. Looking at past El Nino events, we think our winter months will be slightly cooler compared to normal. Could those cooler temperatures lead to some snow? Well, the WRAL weather team is thinking yes. Now, normal winter snowfall at RDU is 5.2 inches. Now, based on all the historical data, the fact that we'll likely have an active subtropical jet stream and a slightly cooler than normal winter, the WRAL forecast calls for slightly above normal snowfall. We're thinking about 5 to 7 inches, with most of the snow likely falling in January. Now, we know many of you will have questions, and we want to answer them all. We've posted an article on WRAL.com with all the data we use for our forecast. Plus, join me for a Facebook Live at 6:30 tonight. I'll answer any questions you might have about the upcoming winter season.